Are you suffering from excruciating pain and you can't get out of your bed and you need this gentle core and back stretching you can do to start your day before getting out of bed? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a gentle Pilates and yoga you can do in bed. You can do in the morning or at the end of the day, and you need to relax and decompress from everything you did today. So get ready and lie in your bed to join me today. Okay, my friends, let's start lying on your back with your knees bent for support on your back. And we'll start with breath work. Place your hands, interlock your fingers on your abdomen. Take a deep breath, belly breath. Expand and exhale, squeeze your core in. And slowly squeeze in. Inhale as you breathe in and breathe out. 2 more. Breath work is so important to engage your powerhouse of your body, your core. Last one, and exhale. Now we're going to gently lift one knee to 90 degrees, toes pointing out. Exhale down, slow and gentle. Move your hips slow and steady. As you breathe in, you want to lift. Exhale as you go down. 1 breath, 1 motion. Toes pointing away as you lift. 2 more. Last one. And now we're going to progress with a little bit hip abduction. As you lift, you open your knee out, keeping your hip leveled. Try not to twist your spine, especially if you're having a lot of pain right now. Lift, open, center, down. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you open. Inhale as you go back center and then down. Last one. Well done. Now we're going to do a butterfly stretch. Butterfly stretch is when you open your knees out and really stretch your hip groin. Inhale and then exhale back center. Squeeze your core in as you go center. Inhale as you open, center as you go back. 4 more. Open as much as you can, and as you go center, squeeze your knees tight together. Press a little bit, open, and then press. Last one. And center. Well done. Now we're going to do a little bit twisting. Twist both knees on one side and reach with your arms to the opposite side. Feel that stretch on your lumbar area, and then switch to the other side. As you lower your knees both sides on one side, you reach with the right. Again, twist. Slow and steady. If there's more pain, stop. It means you're not ready in this one. And twist. 2 more. Last one. Now we are progressing a little bit by placing one foot at the top of your leg, and you're going to press your knee out. Just gentle. And then pull it in and then out. Alternating figure 4 stretch. 2 more. You're going to feel that hip point opening and then in. Try not to pull too hard, gently with your breathing. Last one. And then switch to the other side. Ankle, press out, and then in. Out, and in. Slow and steady. Squeeze your core in. 2 more. Last one. And back. Well done. Now we are slowly progressing again by hugging your knees to your chest. If this is creating more pain, stop. Just want to relieve the pressure of your knees as well. Pull as much as you can and then down. Release gently. Hug your knees, slow and steady. And down. Decompress your spine a little bit. Hug slow and steady and down. Last one. And hold that knee to chest with a little bit circles. You're going to feel pressure on your knees and your hips and your back. And then reverse circles. Now lower both feet down. We're going to stretch your hamstrings. So keep the opposite knee bent to support your spine. Interlock your fingers behind your thighs. And then lift, extend, and then down. Just gentle. You don't have to lock your knee all the way. As long as there's no increasing pain, just a gentle stretch on your hamstrings. 2 more. Last one. And then switch to the other side. We're gonna hug your left knee, interlock your fingers, keep the other leg bent for support, and then extend as much as you can. As you breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. Last one. And down. Now we're going to do a little bit more hip opening. Hug your knee again to your chest. Interlock your fingers. As you extend, you're going to slowly circle the whole leg as much as you can. With the guidance of your hand to support with your breath work. Now reverse circles, toes pointing away. And down. Now switch to the other side. Interlock your fingers behind your thighs and then extend your leg. Lock if you can. And then circles with your breath work. And then reverse circles. Feels so good. Stretch those hamstrings. And now we're progressing, hugging both knees. Interlock your fingers behind your thighs if you can. And then slowly extend your legs if you can. And then circles. Just gentle rocking in the bed. And then reverse circles. And then bend. And then extend. Bend. Extend. Feel those muscles stretching out. Ticks and clicks on your knees. 2 more. Last one. Hold that stretch on your knees. Toes pointing away. We're going to slowly separate your legs apart to a V stretch. As you reach that point of stretch, dorsiflex, which means pulling your toes towards you, and go back center. And then tippy toes, open, dorsiflex, and center. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed these gentle bed exercises you can do. You can start to do on your day or end your day if you're having a lot of stiffness currently and you need these gentle exercises you can do in your own bed. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. And if you need my help and guidance, you can join my back masterclass. Those who wants to a special support from me. If you have more time today, I have a video you can watch. And if you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Every like you give my channel, you're supporting me. Until the next video training, watch this one, it's great, and this one too. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!